Welcome to Wingspan Adventures in Flight, where we bring you all sorts of aviation videos. Only 1.1% of my viewers are subscribers. If you are here, it's because you have an interest in aviation, or should I say, a passion. Either way, if you're here, I'd greatly appreciate it if you click that subscribe button. Every time I see my subscriber count go up, it motivates me to post more real-world aviation content. Now let's take a look at this beautiful World War II bomber. It's one of the most iconic medium bombers of World War II, the North American B-25 Mitchell, a twin-engine workhorse that earned its place in the history books and in the hearts of those who watched it soar. Today, we honor that legacy with the arrival of Super Rabbit, a beautifully preserved B-25 Mitchell, proudly maintained by the Commemorative Air Force. Named after General Billy Mitchell, a pioneer of American air power, the B-25 saw action in every theater of the war. But its most legendary moment came on April 18, 1942, when 16 B-25s, led by Lieutenant Colonel James Doolittle, launched from the deck of the USS Hornet in a daring raid on Tokyo. It was a one-way mission that changed the course of the war and sent a powerful message. The United States would not be intimidated. If you enjoyed this look at Super Rabbit and the legacy of the B-25, make sure to check back soon. We've got more incredible moments coming your way from the 2025 Hutchinson Regional Airport Fly-In and Open House, rare aircraft, passionate pilots, and stories you won't want to miss. Subscribe, stay tuned, and keep your eyes on the skies.